Hello, everyone, and welcome back to My English Teacher, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's so good to be here with you. I feel fresh today. I had a slow morning, and I'm ready to talk.
A slow morning sounds nice. I also feel good. I made some warm tea, opened my window, and the air felt very calm. It's a great way to start the day.
Yes, calm mornings help me a lot. When I feel calm, I speak better. When I feel rushed, my English feels blocked.
I think many of our listeners feel the same, and that is our topic today. Today we are talking about how to train your brain and your mouth to speak in English.
Ooh, that is a big topic. So many learners ask this question. They want to speak, but they don't know how to train both the mind and the mouth.
It's very important and very helpful for English learners. And before we start, please give this episode a like. It helps more learners find us.
And if you are new here, please subscribe. Your support means a lot to us and helps this community grow.
Thank you, everyone. Now let's start with a problem many people know very well. Many learners say, I can understand, but I can't speak.
Yes, that is me. Or at least it was me before. I know the feeling. Your brain has English inside, but your mouth does not move. It feels stuck. It feels slow. And sometimes you feel shy or even a bit stupid.
And that feeling is normal. Many people feel the same. It does not mean you are bad. It means you are learning. Speaking is a skill, and skills take time.
I like when you say that. I am learning. Not I am bad, not I cannot speak. Just I am learning. That feels softer, kinder.
Be kind to yourself. That is the first step. Today we will talk about training your brain and your mouth in small, simple ways. Small steps, one brick at a time.
I love the one brick idea. Not the whole wall, just one brick.
Exactly. And the first tip is very simple. Think in English for small moments. Not all day, not every minute, just small moments.
What does that look like in real life?
Let's say you wake up, you open your eyes, you stretch your arms. In that moment, you can say one or two small sentences in English. Something like, I am awake. I feel a little tired. I want water. It is simple, but it trains your brain to use English first, not the second.
That feels easy. I can do that in my room. No stress, no people watching me.
Yes, it is a private practice. And when you repeat this many times, your brain learns English as the first choice, not the second.
I can try now. Let me think. If I am in bed right now, I can say, I am lying down. My room is quiet. I want to start my day. How is that?
That is great. Simple, clear, and real. And the best part is you do not need perfect grammar. Communication, not perfection.
Communication, not perfection. I need to write that on my wall.
You can even repeat it during the day. It helps remove fear, because fear blocks the mouth.
True. When I feel afraid, my mouth freezes. I forget easy words like cup or door.
Yes, fear makes your brain go into danger mode, not English mode. But when you use small sentences again and again, your brain feels safe, and a safe brain speaks better.
So tip 1 is small moments of English in daily life. Not big, scary talking, just small English here and there.
Exactly. And now, tip number 2. Train your mouth like a muscle. Your English mouth needs practice, not only your English brain.
What do you mean by English mouth?
When you speak English, your tongue, lips, and jaw move differently from your first language. If your mouth is not used to it, the words feel heavy or slow. But if you practice small speaking actions every day, your mouth becomes flexible.
That makes sense. When I go to the gym and do one push-up, I cannot feel anything. But when I do 10 push-ups every day, I get stronger.
Exactly. Your speaking muscles grow the same way. One small speaking action, repeated many times, creates fluency.
What is a small speaking action?
Reading aloud for 5 minutes, shadowing 1 minute of audio, repeating simple patterns like I usually, or I like to, or I'm going to. Say them slowly, say them fast, try them again later in the day.
I can try I usually. Let me see. I usually drink tea in the evening. I usually walk after dinner. I usually check my phone too much.
That last one is very true for many people. And look how easy that was. Your mouth moved, your brain worked, and you made real sentences.
It feels simple when you break it down. One pattern, 3 sentences, 2 minutes, done.
That is the power of small steps. Many learners try to speak long sentences, like a textbook, but natural English grows from small patterns.
I feel good when I say simple sentences. I don't feel pressure. I don't feel like I must be perfect.
That feeling is important. When learning feels safe and simple, you can continue. When learning feels heavy, you stop.
So far we have think in English and train your mouth like a muscle. What's next?
Tip number 3, use self-talk during simple actions. Many learners think speaking practice must be long or special, but self-talk is natural and easy.
Self-talk? Like talking to myself?
Yes, talking to yourself while doing daily things, cooking, cleaning, walking to the bus, folding clothes, watering plants, washing your face.
Oh, I can do that. When I wash dishes, I can say, I am washing the plate, the water is warm, I feel calm.
That is perfect. Very real, very natural. And the best part? No fear, no audience, no pressure. You can make mistakes. Mistakes are friends. Mistakes are information.
I like that. Mistakes are friends. Mistakes tell me what I need to practice.
Yes, they are not judges, they are pointers. They say, hey, this part needs a little more practice. That's all.
I feel less afraid when you say it that way.
Good. And here is a small role play for our listeners. Everyone can try with us. Paul, you are in your kitchen making a simple breakfast. Can you self-talk for 20 seconds?
Okay, let me try. I am opening the fridge. I take the eggs. I turn on the pan. The pan is hot. I feel a bit hungry. I crack the egg. I hear the sound. I like this moment. How was that?
That was wonderful. Clear, simple, and real. And you see, you did not translate. You just spoke.
Yes, I just said what I saw. It felt natural.
And this is how you train your brain and mouth together. Real actions plus simple English plus small steps.
I feel inspired already.
Good, because we have more tips coming in the next part. Let's continue with our topic, how to train your brain and your mouth to speak in English. We already talked about thinking in English, training your mouth like a muscle, and using self-talk during daily actions.
Yes, and those tips already make me feel stronger. Small steps, one brick, I can do this. So, what is the next brick?
Tip number 4, shadowing. This is a simple practice, but powerful. You listen to a voice in English, and you speak at the same time.
At the same time? That sounds difficult.
It is not as hard as it sounds. You start with something very short, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. You listen and copy the rhythm. Not perfect words, just the music of English.
So it's like singing along with a song.
Exactly. When you sing along, you don't think too much. You just follow the sound. Shadowing works the same way. It trains your mouth to move fast and your brain to stop translating.
I like that. When I sing, I don't feel shy. Maybe shadowing can help me feel less shy in English too.
Yes, and the best part? You don't need long audio. You can shadow one simple sentence. For example, I'm going to the kitchen. You hear it and you repeat with the same rhythm.
Let me try shadowing you. Say something simple.
Okay? I feel ready to speak.
I feel ready to speak.
One small step today.
One small step today.
Very good. Your mouth moved quickly and smoothly.
It feels fun, like a tiny workout. My English muscles are waking up.
That is exactly what shadowing does. It wakes up your English mouth.
So the idea is, listen to short English, repeat, don't worry about mistakes, focus on rhythm.
Yes, you can do it while walking, cooking, or sitting on the bus. Small practice, big results.
I'm starting to see a pattern. Small moments, small steps, small English that grows slowly.
You got it. And that brings us to tip number 5. Learn chunks, not single words.
Chunks? What is that?
A chunk is a small group of words you use together, like I usually, I like to, I'm going to, or can I have? These small pieces help you speak faster because your brain remembers them as one unit.
Oh, I see. Instead of learning just coffee, I can learn, can I have a coffee? As one chunk.
Exactly. When you learn like this, speaking feels easier. You don't need to build a sentence from zero every time.
Let me try a few chunks. I like to walk in the park. I usually cook dinner at 7. Can I have some water? Wow, it feels smooth.
That is the magic. You already sound more fluent because chunks remove the thinking pressure.
So the idea is, learn useful chunks and use them during the day.
Yes, and repeat them in real contexts. When you cook, use I'm going to. When you talk about habits, use I usually. When you order anything, even in your imagination, use can I have.
It feels simple and real, not academic, not heavy.
Right. Our goal is communication, not perfection. And chunks make communication easier.
I love that. Communication, not perfection. I need that tattooed somewhere.
Maybe not a tattoo, but you can write it in your notebook. Now let's continue. Tip number 6. Do one tiny English practice every day. Just one.
Only one?
Yes, one small brick. When people try to do too much, they stop. But one small action? You can always do it, even on busy days, even when you are tired.
So what kind of tiny practice?
You can watch one short video with English subtitles. You can read one paragraph aloud. You can do 30 seconds of self-talk while brushing your teeth. You can name 5 objects around you.
5 objects? That's easy. Let me try. Phone, cup, chair, window, notebook. Done.
See? You just practiced vocabulary and speaking, and it took 10 seconds.
That makes me feel successful. When I feel successful,
I want to continue.
That is the power of micro steps. When your brain feels, I can do this, you keep going. When it feels, this is too big, you stop.
This reminds me of something. Last year, I wanted to clean my kitchen. It looked so messy. I felt tired before I even started. But then I told myself, just clean one small area. I cleaned one small corner. Then I felt better, so I cleaned another. And slowly, the kitchen was clean.
That is a perfect story. English is the same. Don't clean the whole kitchen. Clean one small corner today. One brick, one small step.
I really feel that. When I try to speak English fluently, I feel scared. But when I try to say 3 small sentences today, I feel calm.
Calm is good. Calm helps the brain learn better.
So, what is our next tip?
Tip number 7. Record your voice and listen for 10 seconds. Not a long recording, just 10 seconds.
That sounds scary, I won't lie.
Many learners feel scared. They don't like their voice, they think they sound strange, but recording helps you see your progress. 10 seconds is small. It is safe.
What should I record?
Anything simple, like, I am in my room. The light is soft. I feel okay today. Or you can record a chunk, like, I usually wake up at 7. Then listen. Don't judge, just listen.
I can try now. I am speaking English. I want to get better. Okay, that was fast, but not too scary.
See? It is easier than you think. And if you record 10 seconds every day, you will hear real progress after 1 week.
I want that. I want to hear my progress.
You will. And now let's quickly review our tips for today. Ready?
Ready?
Number 1, think in English for small moments. Number 2, train your mouth like a muscle. Number 3, use self-talk during daily actions. Number 4, try shadowing for short sentences. Number 5, learn chunks, not single words. Number 6, do one tiny English practice every day. Number 7, record your voice for 10 seconds.
You have a great memory, Emily.
Thank you. Now, to our listeners, thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this helpful, please like this episode and subscribe to My English Teacher.
Your support helps our community grow, and it helps more learners feel confident, safe, and inspired.
And we have a small question for you today. What is one small English step you will do today?
Tell us in the comments. One brick, one tiny action.
You are doing a great job.
Keep going.
Believe in yourself.
You can do this.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye, everyone.
Happy learning!